Rabbi Nachman spoke about the importance of learning every day the code of Jewish law. This is found in the book Sichot Haran, Rabbi Nachman's Wisdom, where he stresses that no day in your life should go about without you learning the code of Jewish law. Even if it's a day where you have no time, just opening randomly anywhere in the code of Jewish law outside of your normal study schedule is also important, and you must do that. If you can't, you're in a place, in a situation where you don't have access to the actual book and the bookmark and the book place and the volume that you're holding in, learn any halacha. But no day, even Yom Kippur, even Tisha B'Av, which are days of restriction. Yom Kippur we're davening all day, and Tisha B'Av you're not allowed to learn Torah. You must learn halacha. You're allowed to learn on Tisha B'Av the laws of Tisha B'Av, for example. So, and also a mourner who's not allowed to learn Torah necessarily, he's allowed to learn the laws of mourning from the code of Jewish law. So with this said, it's understood the importance of learning Jewish law for the sake of knowing what to do. That's the important point of that. So now, based on this, Rabbi Tzvi Aryeh Rosenfeld and Rav Shmuel Shapira both said that today, if a person's not up to that level of learning the actual code of Jewish law, to explain, the code of Jewish law was put together, compiled over 500 years ago, 600 years ago, by Rav Yosef Karo and the Ramo, Rav Moshe Isserlis. Together, it's called the Shulchan Aruch, and since then, there are many commentaries on the book. It's a big giant book with many of the commentaries, the Taz, Shach, Magen Avraham, Biur HaGra, Bar Eitev, more other commentaries. And it's a work which is obviously not for a layman, but for the advanced Torah student. So the average person, you tell him to learn the code of Jewish law, he'll close the book. It doesn't talk to me. Even if you get an Art Scroll Feldheim translation, it doesn't touch base with me. It doesn't connect. So Rav Rosenfeld and Rav Shapira said today, you can fulfill Rabbi Nachman's warning to learn halacha, even by what's called the abridged code of Jewish law, the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, written by Rav Shlomo Ganzfried, where he brings down the actual finalized laws in the book. It's not like with all the opinions, he says like this, he says like that, and there's many opinions. Even if you go down all the way for the advanced students to learn Mishnah Berurah, say, you're still left with different opinions. You have the opinion of the Mishnah Berurah, but he brings down other opinions also, and it's a bit boggling because it's not set forth in a point format for the layman, and the layman gets trapped. What do I do now? I'm still not clear because of the presentation of these books, which are meant for the advanced Torah student. So for this, they said that to learn the abridged code of Jewish law, with that you fulfill your obligation. From here you see, as opposed to what's brought down by other tzaddikim, other Hasidic tzaddikim, that you must learn the wording of Rav Yosef Karo and the Rama. In other words, to learn the actual code of Jewish law, because the wording itself has the segula, and it has a power in it. This may be true, but this is not the intent of what Rabbi Nachman taught about the importance of learning halacha. His intent was that you know what to do, that you know what to do, that the point gets across. And with that in mind, they said you're yotzi, you fulfill your obligation of learning the code of Jewish law by even learning the abridged code of Jewish law. And by extension of this knowledge, you don't have to ask a Rav, but in Breslev, it's understood also that other works which serve the purpose of the abridged code of Jewish law for different customs, for example, for Sfardim, the Ben Ish Chai, or the Yalkut Yosef, for example, or other books that have popped up since then, such as Shemrat Shabbat Kilchata, and many books of Jewish law in clear English, French, Spanish, whatever format, even Hebrew, where it's so clear to get the bottom line. What is practical law? With that, you fulfill the obligation. Obviously, if you're an advanced level of learning, so you should aim to learn the actual code of Jewish law. And by that point, if you're at the level, then it becomes an obligation for you to learn halacha from the actual code of Jewish law, instead of being yotze and just trying to fulfill your minimum obligation with the abridged code of Jewish law. Since you've passed that level, you're advanced more. However, for the average Jew, if they're not at that level, the abridged code of Jewish law suffices. You should know that. And I'm not saying this is in the name of Rav Rosenfeld and Rav Shmuel Shapira. Both they said this, that the goal is to know halacha, what to do, period, X, Y, Z. Fine.